Hey my fellow tech explorer, welcome to my brand new YouTube channel. I'm Sheo, your friendly neighborhood coder, and I'm thrilled to have you here. On this channel, we're diving deep into the world of software development, data science, and everything in between. Get ready for coding adventures, tech tutorials, and some serious kick-out sessions. But hey, I've got something extra special in store for you. In my next video, I'll be kicking off a brand new series where we dive into the nitty-gritty of building something truly epic, something amazing, something a lot of YouTube tech channels are not doing. A workflow builder automation system. Yes, picture this. We'll be crafting our own very workflow builder from scratch using XJS. From planning and designing to coding and testing, we will leave no stone untouched as we embark on this epic coding adventures together. But here's the best part. You're not just a viewer, you're an active participant in this journey. Got questions, ideas, suggestions? Bring them on, because this channel is all about community, collaboration, and code. So, if you're ready to level up your coding skill, streamline your workflow, join a community, and embark on an epic coding adventure, hit that subscribe button, ring the notification bell, and get ready to join me for the start of something truly amazing. I'm Sheo Abdulaziz, and I can't wait to see you in the next video as we kick off our workflow builder automation series. Until then, happy coding, guys.